I've been so alone ever since I left the tribe. That's just how it goes, guess I like.
What's going on, guys? I'm back with another video today. I know it's been a while. There's multiple reasons for that, but we'll put that aside. Busy. But today is even a busier day here, Sunday, at my garage, doing some work. It's hot as heck out here, so hopefully I can get this done quick. But I got a buddy's car, I'm doing CV axles on. I'd like to dip into the neon, we'll see. My girlfriend's truck needs a cap and rotor. Today's just been all over the place. So it's like 2 o'clock now, got all the stuff we need, gonna get started. Got the air compressor hooked up, ready to go. So, yeah, this has been down for a while. I've also not been driving it to work and everything because I don't want to. Just because I don't want to sit in the parking lot at work all day and driving it in the traffic to work and stuff. I have a daily for that. Plus it's hot, no AC. That's got AC. I like to go chill in my car on lunch. So there's plans for this. You know, I had my birthday. I took a vacation. Like, I just haven't dug into this yet. It does make me sad. I do miss it, but I just haven't had the time. Just been trying to work and make that money. So we got my buddies Mazda 6 here, static slammed, as you can see. And he needs some front CV axles. They're finally on their way out after being this low for this long. So we're gonna get it pulled in, and we're gonna get it torn apart and get started here. All right, guys. So pulled it in, jacked it up, got the wheel off, and set up a fan. You know, because I'm dying in here right now. Got it out. Super easy. Literally, all I did. Undo the axle nut with my impact, undo the bottom bolt right here, the lower control for where it's coilover. Well, if you're a car stock strut, bolts the lower control arm. 10 mil for the ABS sensor, and I think this one was a 14. That was a 15. Zip that off. Hammer right here, and it'll pop right out. And stuck a screwdriver behind it, popped it, and so here we go. Now see, this is the issue he was having. Hold on, the camera strap. Here, let me turn this fan off so there's no background noise. Sorry about that. So the boot ripped. Now this is obvious that one, this is from age. Two, this is from him being slammed, and the boot's going to be stuck in or get pulled out a lot more probably. So yeah, boots ripped, grease is everywhere. This thing is completely, that's no good. Like there's slack in it. That's garbage, because look at how tight this one is. Like this one's just flapping around in here. So it's going to give you noise, vibrations, just stuff you don't want to hear when you're driving your car. I'm going to clean up this mess. It's hard to see back there, but all the grease from that axle is just all over the place. I'm going to clean up this mess, throw it in the driver's side, get started on the passenger. It is like, I think it's like 94 outside, I checked right now. So yeah, it's nice and toasty in here, but it's a-okay. But yeah, BC Racing coilovers, Rota wheels, looking good. Alright, so I got the driver's side all tightened up, torqued down, back together. I tore the passenger side out, same thing. Upper bolt, or upper nut for the ball joint. Give it a 2 taps, it'll come out. Axle nut and the strut bolt. And so now, popped it out. This is, let's see which one. This is the passenger side. This one's even worse. This one's like not even existent. Grease everywhere. So, gonna get the passenger side back in. I found interesting that this side is female and the trans is male, but on this side the axle is male and the trans is female. I found that quite interesting. But that's Ford for you, because technically this car is a Ford Fusion chassis, and you can tell by the motor and the fact that that's definitely a Ford oil cap. but it's a Mazda. That's when they were partners. But I'm gonna get that all back together and get it shipped out here. Alright, Phil.
Boy.
It's done.
Looking fresh behind
Looking
me.
fresh.
Squad.
Squat up. Alright, it's about to rain. You guys better get
Yeah.
going. Alright.
Good.
Hey, are you taking these old ones?
Oh, yeah.
I don't know if you want to or not for
Deuces.
whatever.
You want me to send Snapchats about M1?
Sure. This boy going to the M1 concourse fireworks tonight. Hopefully it don't rain. Oh, we haven't showed them you got the headers yet. Short, bleh, can't speak. Shorty headers, right?
Yep.
So, shorty headers, stock mid section, and then Roush axle back. Alright, it's gonna rain. I need to clean up. I need to eat dinner, get a change of clothes. We're ending this vlog up.